In this video, we're going to go over 10 YouTube ideas you can do while starting a channel and grow an audience and grow your brand. I'm so excited to talk about this topic because I've been getting emails about what to start a YouTube channel about, how to find the hottest trends, or are these things that I can do today? Well, I got 10 or more that you can do, and check them out to see if one of these are for you. My name is Shelton and welcome to the video today. I'm so excited. If you haven't yet, go ahead and hit that red subscribe button right below this video, and don't forget to hit that notification bell when I do videos just like this. Now you know what time it is. Let's dive into the topic. 10 or more ideas, YouTube ideas, when you're starting a channel, or if this is something you've been always wanting to do, but you just need some type of roadmap or some type of passion or some type of direction to start that today. Well, this channel and this video, that's what it's all about. So I'm gonna lay out 10 or more things that you can do because I know you've been dying to start your YouTube channel, or if you do have a channel, you wanna continue doing content in one of these niches, right? I know, because I was just at the store just about 2 days ago and I overheard people talking about YouTube and ideas, and this inspired me to do this topic today. So let me go ahead and start out with the content, and check this out. It's in no particular order, it's just 10, and I got a couple of bonus ideas that you can do with this method. So the number one thing on here is, why not start an affiliate marketing and network marketing channel? Let's say you have an online business, or you're just starting an online business. Why not start and have a YouTube channel that's about joining your network marketing opportunity or your affiliate marketing opportunity? Now, this go along the make money online niche, and making money and making that type of thing is important online these days. You know it is. So if you have an affiliate marketing, you can talk about the benefits of being affiliate marketing. You can talk about the benefits from working from home. You can talk about the benefits of building a team. You can talk about the benefits of building a brand, of where you can go out and track people to your opportunity. That way you can go ahead, make that money, and also help people at the same time. So affiliate marketing, networking opportunity, why not start that channel today if that's your passion? So when we talk about affiliate marketing, make money online on this channel, so stay tuned for more content about that subject. So the second thing I have on my list is a cooking channel. A cooking channel. Dig this. When I think about food and going into that kitchen and making a meal, I think about YouTube and finding somebody who already is doing that particular food or cooking that particular food. So just the other day, I was thinking about steaks and mashed potatoes. So I went to YouTube to learn about who's cooking steak and mashed potatoes, who is the professional, who is the expert at this, and all these videos popped up about steak and mashed potatoes. And you know what? I clicked on one of those videos, I commented on the video, I liked the video, and I followed the instructions. So if you love to cook and you feel comfortable being on camera, or they can even hear your voice, you can actually film the food that you're doing, that could be a really good idea. And you can probably make some money off of it if you are an affiliate for a particular company like Amazon Associates, Best Buy, or even Walmart. You can actually sell and promote the equipment that you're using to cook the dishes, or you can even sell some of your recipes. Why not do that? Cooking, if that's for you, why not start that? So that's number 2. The number 3 I have on my list is a product review, tech review channel. So the product review channel could be something about the latest products that came out, or products that people love, or products that people are searching for. For instance, you can do a product review on a computer. Why not get this particular computer versus this one? This computer works better for working from home, while this computer is really good for if you are a student and you're trying to do your education online, which we're doing that more and more these days. So you can do a product review over anything, different type of cell phones, lighting, equipment like your microphone. You can actually do a product review over, heck, what's the best keyboard to use on my computer? So if you're really passionate about products, and if you're passionate about the comparison and the research and edutainment that I'm always saying all the time, start a product review channel about anything. It could be tech, or it can just be a particular product that you're passionate about. So, and you can teach people how to do it. And of course, you can promote that product as well to build your own business. Another thing you can do is number 4 on the list here, I have on here, is start a social media channel based on how people can benefit and build a business off social media. Now on this channel, I do go over social media techniques and tips that you can do when you have your own business, because social media definitely is one of those areas that you do need to know about. Now there's several channels there. You don't need to know all of them, but you need to start somewhere. I would suggest you start somewhere. And you can have a channel that teach people techniques and tips and tricks on Facebook or Instagram or anything like that, or even on YouTube, of how they can start a business, they can create opportunities, and they can grow their business by doing these techniques online, for you can increase engagement. You can get more leads and sales in their business. So you can do a social media on what's hot right now, on what is the trending topic in social media to keep people informed, because you know how it is. People want to be informed and they want to be edutainment. So let me go on with that as well. So on the number 5 on the list I have is meal planning channel. Yes, meal planning channel. For instance, we're at home a lot more these days, and more people are planning meals ahead of time. I actually went on YouTube to learn meal plannings and finding out what people are doing and what type of recipes and ingredients that they're using to prep their meals for the week. So I went to the channel and I found that, and I was thinking that is a really good idea of starting a channel, a meal planning channel for parents, especially for parents and mothers that actually prepare meals, like some type of mommy channel that is like the mommy planning channel. In terms of meals, you can actually start that out if you're passionate about that kind of thing, and you can build a brand. With that, you can sell products that you really are illustrating about. So that's a good idea on meal planning, because the healthy meal plans, and you can niche it down really, really well. This meal plan is about health. So all my meal planning ideas is about health. So you can even niche it down where you can target that particular audience. Next one I'll have on my list is the gaming channel. Start a gaming channel. Now there's a lot of people online right now that's playing a game. They're playing a video game. So why not, if you're playing a video game, start a channel with that, and get this, teach people how to play the game. So I go around people's gaming channels and they're just playing the game, but they ain't teaching nobody how to do it, or they're not selling it, they're not promoting it. Be like, this is how you play the game, this is where you go, and then you can actually sell that game or that system at the same time. So instead of just playing it, which is a good hobby, why not take it to another level and say, teach people, edutain them on why they need to have this video game. Why do I need to go out there and buy that video game? You tell me. So, and then if I want the game, how do I buy it? You can literally say, I have an affiliate link with this video game that I'm partnering up with Amazon or Best Buy. I'm just making an example. And you can tell people by clicking on that link, you can purchase this actually video game that I'm playing right now. And that's how you can do it. You can do an all-day video channel, or you can do, video games in my living room type things. Start a gaming channel, educate people, and have them go ahead and follow you. So next one on my list, I have sports talk channel. Talking sports, basketball, tennis, football, wrestling, there's baseball. There's so many different sports out there, and you can have a channel based on sports. Highlights from last night's game. You can talk about what you think about who's going to make the playoffs. You can talk about the favorite athlete in that particular sport. You can actually interview people. You can be really creative with sports, and you can get a following from that based on your knowledge and your research. You can add music and editing within that. And of course, you can build a brand just by talking sports if that's your thing. So that's another idea you can do. Another one, number 9 on the list, is a fitness and health channel. Right. Remember, the 3 popular niches out there are these 3 things. Make money online niche, fitness and health, and dating and relationships. Those are the 3 most popular niches out there when you're starting a business. In the fitness and health niche, why not? You can have a fitness channel that teaches people how to work out from home and how to properly exercise. And you can have a health channel on how to eat properly after the fitness, how to eat health more often, how to eat more healthy more often. So you can really do those type of things as well. And if you have a fitness company or fitness business, you can promote yourself and have people join that opportunity because you have fitness techniques and tricks. And if you're a fitness consultant or a fitness coach, they can subscribe to your channel and you can actually start building a brand that way. If you're a health coach, the same exact thing. Build a brand, have people to follow you, and you can go ahead and buy the products that you're selling at the end of your videos. So another one, number 10 here on my list. Number 10, and I do got a few bonuses for you as well. Number 10, what's number 10? Oh, mindset and meditation. Mindset and meditation channel, because mindset is very key for us to be breathing, really. Because mindset, with a positive mindset, you can move mountains. And mindset is so important to the brain, to the mind, to everything, is having a positive attitude, mindset for whatever you do. So your channel can be about the type of books that are going to help with your mindset. Here's the positive audio that can be about the mindset. You can actually talk about techniques of improving your mindset, and meditation. You can talk about different breathing exercises, different meditation habits. What's the best time to meditate? Why should you be meditating? Why is mindset important? So your channel can be based off that. You can put music in there. You can interview people about how mindset changed their lives, how mindset has really affected their relationships, and things like that. So a mindset channel, and a bonus one here, dating relationship channel. You can just talk about dating relationship channel. That is one of the popular niches out there. So that's one of my bonuses, a dating relationship channel. That channel could be all about the dating habits, the dating tips, the relationship advice. And if you have a actual certificate in that area, you can really showcase your brand and your skill sets. If you don't, and if you join an opportunity, or if you know about dating relationship, why not start a channel about it? Why not? You don't need to be certified to talk about dating and relationship. You can just start talking about it if you have a good passion for it. A couple other bonuses here is a travel channel. You can teach people how to travel and the importance of traveling. That's really cool. A music channel. It could just be about different types of music. You can narrow it down to a particular niche. Okay, this is a rock and roll channel. This is actually a rap and hip hop channel. This is a country music channel. So you can have a music channel. You actually can create your own music channel of where you can actually sell your music that you're doing on your YouTube channel. You can do that as well. You can do trend topics of what's trending. You can do a trending channel. Okay, here's all the trending topics that I have for you to go out there and have success and have fun with it. You can do a trending channel. Another one is a teaching language. So if you're a teacher, you can start a channel about teaching Spanish or teaching Arabic or teaching Japanese. You can have your channel strictly on teaching people education in terms of languages. This is really good as well, as my wife is a Spanish professor. And my last bonus I have on the list, a cleaning house channel. Cleaning house product. This is how you clean house. So those are a couple of things that I have here. I wanted to do this topic because it got brought up a few times throughout a couple of days ago. People was asking me about it. I was in the store the other day and people were talking about YouTube channel ideas. But you want to gear around your passion, but you want to gear around for something you can build a brand and a business with it as well. So you want to do your research and follow people. If you choose one of these niches here or choose one of these ideas, do your research and make sure this is something you want to do, because you don't want to do a channel just to be doing a channel. Do a channel because you love the topic, you love the niche, you love the idea. Then it's not going to feel like work. It's going to be like, okay, I'm turning this camera on and I'm going to do this particular topic and this idea over this. So, and in terms of social media, which is important because this is social media right now, I do, right below this video, I do have a course that you can take to how to grow your influence using social media strategies. I do have that right below this video. It's a course that helped me out in terms of building more, branding and adding engagement and tricks and tips of how you can really grow your influence, because any of these niches here, it's going to be on social media. So you're going to need to learn how to market and promote these type of things. So if you're needing help with that, click on the link below this video. I can go ahead and show you that. You can click on there, you can get the course, and you go ahead and make it happen today. My name is Adam Shelton. Thank you for watching this 10 YouTube ideas to grow your influence and grow your channel today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel, and share it as well. Sharing is caring. My name is Adam Shelton, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. I'll see you on the next video. Have a good day.